Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to gift games on Epic Games. It's easier than you think. First, open the Epic Games launcher and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one now. Next, browse through the store and find the game you want to gift. Take your time, there are so many options. Once you've selected a game, click on it to see the details and hit the gift option available on the games page. You'll need to enter your friend's email address. Make sure it's correct to ensure they receive the gift. Finally, add a personal message to make it special, then confirm the purchase. Your friend will love the surprise. And that's it. You successfully gifted a game. Check your email for the receipt and share the excitement. Encourage your friends to join you in the game. After all, gaming is more fun together. Remember, gifting is a great way to support developers and bring joy to your friends. Give it a try today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Happy gaming and happy gifting!